Oh God, look at that. Look at that poo. Jesus Christ. Hey guys, welcome to another Condition Joe video. This is gonna be a quick final update on the Bora. I already showed you footage of it, and now I'm actually here. Poor thing has been sitting here since the floods, and it's not getting better. It still won't open, I think. Keys don't work anymore, whatever. But yeah, you can see the mud is starting to crack on here. Come on, focus on something. See if I can get the passenger seat that looks hilarious. Yeah, look at that. Come on, no, don't focus on the windscreen. Don't focus on the dirty window. There we go. Look at that. Look at this poor car. This is just, yeah. It was completely in the water. This is mold. The entire trunk mat is molding away right now. And yeah, it's a goner. You can see the water line still. All the condensation on the inside, obviously. Water line, it's right here. So yeah, that is bad. All the bad. It's already obviously totaled. It's deregistered. It's gonna be scrapped at some point. Right next to it is Joe's second car that got flooded, although not as much. It wasn't sitting here. This is a Hyundai Equus 2011, I believe, 4.6 Ultimate or something like that. Waterline was about as much as you can see here. Still got in the car. It still got soaked, as I showed you. And as you can see, the rear air suspension is unhappy. It's collapsing, or it's collapsed again. So the compressor and all that stuff down there. Oh God, look at that. Look at that poo. Jesus Christ. Oh well. It's not like the paint is gonna do any... It's gonna have any problems with that anymore. Yeah. This also is likely going to be totaled. He already got a call from the insurance adjuster. Or assessor, and it's very likely a total. This is obviously a total, that's not even a question. There's probably two. And yeah. But the Bora, oh, does it have still water in here or is this condensation? No, but it's mud on the inside. I saw a car for sale the other day. It said just mild water damage. It is like 50 kilometers north of here for sale. It looks really clean inside and out, but you can see the inside of the headlights was brown. So I know exactly what that car had, and I'm not going to touch it. Anyway, so it's not just these cars. As you can see, the parking lot is still full of cars that are registered and unregistered that have been flooded. Let's have a look at this one. Oh yeah, it's all brown on the inside. Same thing. Yeah. All just gone. Over there, this car hasn't even been. Oops, this car hasn't even been dug out over there. This one is also mangled. Something was apparently pushed against it. Oh, and onto it. Yeah. All these cars have like exports. We buy all your cars pieces of paper on them, but nobody really wants those cars, I assume. Plus they're basically dead. Yeah, it's not nice. Over here, those cars haven't even been moved. This, I think you might have seen it on a picture or something. These are just like pushed together from the water. The water was presumably coming this way, I guess, and they just were picked up and pushed together. I mean, look at this poor 1 Series convertible. You can see the water line right up there to the seats, middle of the steering wheel. You can see not even the steering wheel was turned since. It's just gone. C-Class, nice condensation on the inside. This thing too. Yeah, you can see water line. Oh, this car's an open window, so I guess it has a chance to ventilate, but what for? It's dead anyway. C-Class, yeah, headlights brown on the inside. Oh yeah, nice moldy seats, lovely. Steering wheel, Jesus, look at that steering wheel. That is, yummy. You can see the waterline on the dashboard over there. Yeah, right behind there, yeah. Oh God, look at the passenger seat. Oh God, that's all the green. Jesus. Can I get a look over here? Yeah. Poor cars. A lot of poor cars. This looks like it actually was parked here, maybe? Don't know. Weird parking. Doesn't look too flooded at least, but it looks damaged. But yeah, oh, yeah, let's have a look at this one. This is obviously a pretty recent C-Class, CLA, Mercedes CLA wagon. And it's sitting on top of something. Oh, some bins and plants. Well, the camera still seems to be working. Well, it's there. Ah, that's the license plate, I guess, because they just took it off and deregistered it. Usually, having a deregistered car on a public space is it's quite frowned upon, and you can't do that. But I guess right now there's not too much care and concern about that because, well, what you gonna do? So, yeah. Also, you can see the water line, at least the last stands of the last few levels of it when it came down. Also, nice and shit and dead. Just as dead as the Bora over there. Oh well. Well, and here we are, the Bora replacement, which is another Bora, because why wouldn't it be? This is, again, a Bora. It's a diesel. It's a full motion. Doesn't say it on the back, but it's basically the same car, but it has the Highline trim option, a package. So basically all the options. And it is the 150 horsepower diesel version. And yeah, he got the local. It wasn't flooded. It is in a bit nicer shape overall. It had an engine problem when he got it, like was low on power, but it was only some sensors. He had those fixed, and now it's nice and happy. And as you can see, it's all the fancy in here. It's like factory CD changer and radio. It's a cold working AC. It has like fake wood trim. As you can see, full motion. You know, it has to show it, has to say it. Yeah. It's basically the same car, just a little bit nicer, and primarily it's not flooded. So we're in the Bora, and nothing ever happened, right? This is the Bora I bought you, Joe, right?
Yeah.
This is the same car. I mean, it's definitely not silver or anything. It's just a Bora. And I think I forgot to point out that it had like wood trim and leather, but it's definitely just the same car.
Yeah, and a little, you know, it's a bit of a more powerful engine than expected, you know.
Yeah, the engine suddenly has like 20 horsepower more for some reason. I don't know. Yeah, but hey, that's not too bad, isn't it?
Oh, it's okay.
We're not complaining about that. Yeah.
163 uphill.
Have some autobahn.
But it's uphill.
Yeah, it's uphill and it's falling on its face at it's 165. Anyway, as you can see, the Bora, the new Bora, the Bora 2.
Yeah. The other one was Ralph, and this one is Rolf.
Oh, so okay, so the other one was Rolf. This is Rolf. Okay.
Yeah.
Also a very German name.
Yeah.
For a Bora.
I could have called it Max Mustermann.
Oh yeah, no. Wasn't your other Golf Max?
No, that was. I think so. Yeah, I don't remember.
Yeah, so it's just third Golf now, basically.
That's a period. This is not a Golf. It's a Bora. What is this person doing? There's no one in the right lane.
I don't know. He's just being annoying and slow, and needs to get out of the way with this UV cock there on his Tiguan.
Look at it.
Bye bye. Downhill.
Yeah,
For you Americans. I am.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And it's 195 on the GPS. Oh my god, it feels really sketchy.
Sketchy.
Yeah.
Needs a few suspension bits, doesn't it?
Yeah. More than a few. And tires, because it doesn't really have those.
Anyway, so yeah, Bora the second is now up and running, and that basically means I'm probably going to stop making videos looking for cars for Joe. So
Give it a week. Give it a week.
Okay,
Get a bit
we'll
of
see.
rain and then we'll see.
Anyway, yeah, see you in the next video. Say bye to Joe because, oh, he has a car now. Bye, Joe.
Bye.